Get your brother.
Fighting.
No, they're hugging.
Fighting.
No fighting. Rock. Toasting off eggshells to make WCA. You guys know the routine on this. And there you go. Yeah, it takes about 5 minutes. I mean, as you can see, this is all nice and toasted now. It's brown. It's got a little bit of black in it. You don't want any black if you can avoid it, but that's, you know, it's not going to hurt anything either. But now we're nice and toasted. We're going to let this cool down, and then we're going to add it to our jar. This is basically 1 part eggshell to 10 parts vinegar. Fire's already off. I'm just going to crush this down a little bit more, and we'll go from there. Now, I apologize for not showing you the process of pouring the vinegar in, but as you can see, do you see this activity that's going on right now? That's going to go on for the next 10 days. Give it a little, you know, each day give it a little shake like this, but after 10 days time, this will be ready to use. Starting over is never easy. In fact, a lot of times you're not really picking up where you left off. You are quite literally faced with new challenges, and yeah, I'm no exception to that. I now live in the northeastern part of Thailand. It's a region known as Isan, and I live on a rice farm. And everything I was doing before in Chiang Rai is definitely going to help me, but it seems like for everything I was trying to preserve and bring with me from Chiang Rai, and a half dozen other things ended up dying along the way or just getting destroyed in general. It's frustrating, but you just have to be patient and you have to start where you know you need things most. Right now, my upcoming content that you guys are going to see in the coming weeks is going to be focused on a challenge that I've been given, very specifically pertaining to what it is that they grow here on this farm. I really appreciate you all for having been with me all this time. If you're new and you've just encountered my channel, welcome. Glad to have you here. For those of you that have always been with me, I really appreciate your subscribership and for your viewing. Wherever you are in this world today or tonight, you take care. Bye for now.